Imagine this. The sun sets, your backyard glows with warm firelight, and the irresistible aroma of wood-fired pizza wafts through the air. Friends and family gather, laughing as they customize their pizzas, while you effortlessly grill steaks on the same versatile setup. This Pizzello outdoor pizza oven 4-in-1 wood-fired 2-layer detachable oven makes this dream a reality. This isn't just a pizza oven. It's a fire pit, barbecue grill, and baking powerhouse rolled into one sleek, portable package. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into why the Pizzello Gusto is stealing the spotlight for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Solving common outdoor cooking woes. Outdoor cooking often feels like a juggling act. Traditional grills limit you to burgers and hot dogs, while pizza ovens can be bulky, expensive, and single-purpose. The Pizzello Gusto solves these problems with its innovative 4-in-1 design. No more choosing between grilling or baking. This oven lets you do both simultaneously. Its compact size and multi-fuel versatility, wood, pellets, or charcoal, eliminate the hassle of managing multiple cooking setups, while the detachable 2-layer design maximizes space and functionality. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked pizzas or lugging heavy equipment for a camping trip. This oven delivers professional results with backyard ease. Why the Pizzello Gusto stands out. The Pizzello outdoor pizza oven isn't just another gadget. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Designed with over 20 years of pizza oven expertise, this 4-in-1 marvel combines traditional wood-fired flavor with modern convenience. Whether you're hosting a holiday feast or a casual barbecue, its multifunctional design and thoughtful features make it a must-have. Here's why it's turning heads. For in-one versatility. This isn't just a pizza oven. Use it as a standalone fire pit for cozy evenings, a charcoal barbecue grill for smoky steaks, a pizza oven for Neapolitan-style pies, or a general grill oven for roasting veggies, fish, or even pastries. The detachable 2-layer design lets you cook pizza on the top layer while grilling below. Perfect for feeding a crowd. Perfect pizza every time. The cordierite pizza stone and strategic vents ensure even heat distribution, pulling moisture from dough for a crispy crust while keeping toppings moist and flavorful. It reaches 700 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 to 25 minutes, cooking a 12-inch pizza in as little as 60 seconds. Portability perfected. Weighing in with a compact 21.3-inch by 25.8-inch by 12.4-inch footprint, it fits in a family hatchback for camping or tailgating. Top and side carry handles, plus a carry bag, make transport effortless. The foldable legs and detachable chimney save space when stored. Multi-fuel flexibility. Choose wood, pellets, or charcoal to suit your flavor preferences. The easy-to-light firebox and ashtray simplify setup and cleanup, so you can focus on cooking, not maintenance. Complete accessory kit. The Pizzello Gusto comes loaded with everything you need. A 12-inch pizza stone, stainless steel pizza peel, waterproof cover, cooking grill grate, ashtray, and even a pizza cutter on select models. It's ready to use out of the box. No extra purchases required. Durable and easy to clean. Crafted from premium steel with a fingerprint-resistant coating, it's built to withstand the elements. The intense heat burns off food residue, and the removable ashtray makes cleanup a breeze. Ideal for any occasion. From Thanksgiving feasts to summer BBQs, this oven elevates family dinners, parties, or camping trips. It's a thoughtful gift for foodies or anyone who loves hosting. Who's it for? The Pizzello Gusto is perfect for home chefs, food enthusiasts who crave authentic, wood-fired pizza without a pricey pizzeria setup, outdoor adventurers, campers and tailgaters who want portable, versatile cooking for trips, party hosts, families or entertainers looking to impress guests with pizza, barbecue, and fire pit vibes in one device. Gift givers. Anyone seeking a unique, practical gift for holidays like Thanksgiving or Christmas. Whether you're a pizza purist or a barbecue lover, this oven adapts to your style. Its compact size suits small patios or large backyards, and the multi-fuel option caters to both flavor purists and convenience seekers. Benefits that seal the deal. Unmatched versatility. Cook pizza, grill steaks, roast veggies, or enjoy a fire pit, all in one device, saving space and money. Restaurant quality results. Achieve crispy, wood-fired pizzas in minutes, rivaling your favorite pizzeria. Portable and user-friendly. Lightweight, easy to carry, and quick to set up. It's ideal for home or on-the-go cooking. Why choose Pizzello over competitors? Compared to brands like Uni or Ghazni, the Pizzello Gusto offers similar wood-fired performance at a fraction of the cost, around $92.99 to $125.99. While premium models boast gas options or digital displays, the Gusto's multi-fuel, 4-in-1 design delivers unmatched value. Its portability and included accessories outshine budget competitors, which often lack durability or versatility. Customer reviews praise its pizza quality and ease of use, though some note the learning curve for temperature control. Final verdict. Is it worth it? The Pizzello Outdoor Pizza Oven 4-in-1 wood-fired 2-layer detachable oven is a game **anger for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. Its versatility, portability, and professional-grade results make it a steal for the price. Whether you're crafting artisanal pizzas, grilling for a crowd, or cozying up by the fire pit, this oven delivers. It's not just a tool, it's the heart of memorable gatherings. Ready to elevate your backyard or camping game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.